Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to delete all photos at once on your iPhone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the photo gallery on your iPhone and tap to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, find the images that you want to delete. If you want to delete all images at once, from the top right side, tap on the select. However, selecting all images one by one can be time consuming. A fast way to do this is to press and hold on any image, then drag your finger across the screen to select multiple images at once. Keep moving your finger until all the images you want to remove are selected. Once they are selected, from the bottom right side, tap on the trash or bin icon to delete them. And all the selected images will be removed from your photo gallery. And that's it. This is how you can delete all photos on iPhone at once. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.